Mabuhay. This is Alexei Fernandez from Davao City. At this moment, na ako sa Emmanuel Baptist Church. Then, na-amiss ko kaya nakita na ko ang isa ka bata. Actually, di na siya bata. It's a boy. Di na po siya boy. Si Joshua Daniel Cape. Galing niyang tumugtog ng piano.
Oh, din ako. So, dapat na siya mag-teach para kapalo sa on-sound pa.
Si Joshua Daniel Cape. Galing magtugtog ng piano. Amo na niya daw ganyan song?
Alahi, Christian song.
They are busy preparing food. Daming food. Today is the last Sunday of December and the last day of 2023. The last Sunday of December, the last day of 2023. Happy New Year, everyone! Daming food, grabe. Ang daming food. Nag-celebrate mi ngayon kasi last Sunday of the month, the last day of 2023. We celebrate God's goodness, God's blessings, because all of us have received the blessings from the Lord for 365 days of the year. Hi Ate Sor, Happy New Year. Happy New Year everyone.
Happy New Year.
Next year, celebrating ako.
Ano sa birthday?
Hindi birthday. Sabi ko, next year celebrating ako.
Celebrity ka na?
Vlogger naman ko. Hey, God's grace, God's amazing grace. Hindi natin masabi ang panahon.
Kadato naman na.
Yeah. Mag-travel na ko te by God's grace.
Traveling vlogger.
Actually, ang content, akong pangarap, dreams na ko is lifestyle, culture, travel, food, restaurant, business. Happy New Year, Ate Jen.
Yes, Happy New Year.
What is your message to the IBC congregation for 2024?
For 2024, Jesus Christ is our living hope.
That's good. Hi, Miss Marife. What is your message to the congregation?
Blessed New Year. Have a happy
Hi, Ate Lisa. Happy New Year.
Have a blessed New Year and continue to pursue Jesus.
My message to all the people of IBC for 2024, they should always walk according to the Lord, according to the will of God. And how I wish that all of us should be genuine. I am genuine. Asa si Akim?
Akim is in Canada.
Okay. Where is Jacob?
Jacob, he has other plans.
Okay.
Why are you doing?
Because they are not here, or they are not around. That's why I am asking. Ito yung fellow members ko sa Emmanuel Baptist Church. Fellow members ko. Dami sila. Hi, Ate Les. What is your message to all the IBC, the
Happy New
IBC
Year to
people?
all.
Next year, is it okay for you to, I should nominate you for the next president of IBC? IBC men? This is live. At least before you go home later, pa-picture tayo ha, just because I am wearing my red, symbolizing love, and you are wearing green, both Christmas and New Year colors, yes. Maribit is wearing a white Christmas. So pa-picture tayo mamaya.
Yes.
Where is Caroline?
Duty.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Hello, Merry Christmas. Oh, Merry Christmas. Ate Nets, Merry Christmas.
Bayon. Next Bayon is Manalan.
Ate Joy, Merry Christmas again. Happy New Year again. Happy New Year.
Kaya po na ano na po kaya.
See, Happy New Year. See, Happy New Year. Happy New Year. See, Happy New Year. See, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
See, Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, everyone. Happy New Year. Celebrations of God's goodness, celebrations of God's blessings. Hi, Ate Jo, the Red. See, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to everyone.
Happy New Year. Daming food. Hello, Chairman. Happy New Year, Chairman.
Happy New Year.
Daming food.
Yes.
Grabe. Nakaano siya, Koy? Naka siya kining Scotch tape. Wow, grabe. Katalisa de la Cruz ni ba? Katalisa de la Cruz na. Thank you everyone. Happy New Year and God bless us all. This is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. To all my friends, continue to subscribe my YouTube channel and to follow my Facebook reels. Continue to likes and to shares. God bless everyone.